Welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. The pattern in front of you that I'm working on currently is called the cone stitch. So this is the right hand side, this is the wrong side, and the stitch is made up of single crochet round in between the rows, and this part here, this row, is the cone stitch. So grab your hook and your yarn and let's make this beautiful pattern. You'll start this pattern by making a slip knot, and you can make any number of chain stitches just as long as you add one extra to it. So I'm going to make 20. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's my row of chain. So for the very first row, I'm going to make one single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and I'm going to make a single crochet in each stitch across until I get to the end of this row. This is the foundation row that I just made. When you get to the end, chain one and turn your work. Single crochet in the first stitch. This is row 2. And now single crochet right across this row. This row is the row that I'll be making the cone stitches into. When you get to the end of the row, chain one and turn your work. This is the row that we will start our cone stitches on. You will work in the very first stitch, yarn over, go into the first stitch, and yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, and you're going to go into the second row, the stitch directly below. You're going to go into and pull up a loop. You will have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through all 5 loops. That is your cone stitch. Let me show you that again. Yarn over. Go into the next stitch and pull up a loop. So you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go into the stitch directly below that, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5. Let's do that again. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go into the stitch directly below that of the previous row. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through all 5. You will continue to work in this way for the entire row. You will repeat that stitch. For your last stitch, you're going to work the exact same way. And here you have your first row of cone stitches. For row 4, chain 1 and turn your work. You're going to make 1 single crochet in the very first stitch. So in your very first stitch, please make 1 single crochet, and now you're going to make 1 single crochet right across the top of this row. Until you get to the very end of your row. So this is row 4 that we did. You're going to chain 1 and turn your work, and you're going to repeat row 4 twice. So you'll do a row 5 and a row 6 of single crochets. This is row 5, and I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and repeat 1 single crochet in each stitch across for row 6. This is row 6 complete. You will chain 1 and turn your work. Now we're going to repeat the cones. Go in, yarn over, go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go into the exact same stitch but 1 row down. Pull up a loop and go through all 5 loops. Again, yarn over, go into the first loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go into the stitch directly below. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and go through all 5 loops. Yarn over, same. Continue to work in the exact same way across this row. So you will repeat row 3, 4, 5, and 6 until you get to your desired length. And that is it. That is the cone stitch. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, no excuse. Please subscribe, like, comment. When you try this out, please tag me in your video so I can see what you're up to. Most importantly, please enjoy crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix, out.